I want to help you. In this Freelancer Pro guide, I'm going to be taking you from the dust level, from scratch. Even if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, from creating an account, learning a skill even if you don't have a skill, creating a gig, and how to promote it as a freelancer. I'll not only use freelancing platforms, but I'm also going to show you how you can make much and extra money out of these freelancing platforms as a freelancer. It is very lucrative, but before you have this level of success, you need to focus. That's why I'm calling on you to be interactive. Make use of the comment section. If you have a worry, please drop it in the comment section. I want this to be the best course and the best guide for anyone who wants to get into freelancing in 2023 on this platform. And it can only start with you. The more questions you ask me and the type of things that you say to me is going to help to give the best results and the ultimate guide that you need to become a freelancer. I'm going to go as detailed as possible, so make sure you watch every single video from start to the end, because I'm going to be breaking down everything and leaving no stone unturned. I'm also going to show you how you can go further to even build your own freelance agency to be able to make extra money and get popular on internet. It's going to be super awesome, and I'm going to be very fantastic, and I'm going to be very excited to have you follow this from start to the end. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Cyril, and I'm going to be your instructor throughout the series. So if you are interested in this, don't forget to turn on all notifications and be ready to receive every single detail as I go. See you in the next one.